Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a business from the ground up? Nate Brott and his wife Chelsea started integrity cleaning right from their kitchen table. Now, this carpet cleaning business services multiple locations across Vancouver, Washington, and is thriving. Their secret? An unwavering commitment to delivering exceptional customer service and enjoying a wealth of 5-star reviews. Nate knows the importance of automation, allowing him to focus on what he does best, running his business. With NiceJob, reviews are sent automatically after every job, simplifying the entire process for Nate. This seamless integration with House Call Pro has significantly boosted his online review count. We are now in many hundreds of reviews thanks to NiceJob, boasts Nate, showcasing their success. Nate decided to take it a step further by trying NiceJob's website building service, Convert. It doesn't cost you money, it makes you money. This mantra fuels Nate and Chelsea's success story.